operating activities of the companies associated with exploration, production, storage, refining, and transportation of crude oil, as well as elimination of natural and man-made disasters consequences in the oil and gas industry, imply generation and accumulation of oil-containing waste, oil-contaminated soil and water in the territories of oil producers and refineries or adjacent areas. Untimely liquidation of such waste accumulation leads to evaporation of hydrocarbons phase of the contents and its spread along the perimeter and into the depth of the area. As a result, the significant damage to the environment is caused not only due to intrusion of hazardous emissions into the atmosphere, but also due to hydrocarbons' penetration to the soil and groundwater. Arkoil Technologies presents one of the most advanced methods of oil-containing waste and oil-contaminated soil treatment with further hydrocarbons recovery named Closed Cycle of Oil-Containing Waste and Oil-Contaminated Soil Treatment. The laboratory testing of samples from different points of the sludge pit is effectuated for chemical analysis and water level determination. According to the testing results, one of the methods of sludge preparation for consecutive treatment is applied: hydraulic underwashing inside the pit or hydraulic washing using portable homogenizer. Hydraulic underwashing includes installation of the pontoon with a platform at the end, equipped by 2 pumps and special nozzles for sludge underwashing. Installation is performed simultaneously with a 2-phase centrifuges group and tanks for centrate settling. A pipeline for water supply and liquefied sludge return is assembled on the pontoon. Water is supplied to the bottom of the pit using special nozzles where the sludge thins down. The second pump serves to deliver the liquefied sludge to the surface and then to the centrifuges. After being treated at the centrifuges, the liquefied sludge is delivered into cake and centrate. Centrate is delivered to the tank for temporary storage and settling. As a result, the hydrocarbons layer appears on the water surface and is furtherly pumped out to the bitumen carriers and transported to the place designated by the client. The water left in the tank is not drained into the industrial sewage but is recycled and supplied to the pump again. Cake is transported to the bioremediation site for further neutralization using Arkoil Technologies' self-developed customized biological product, Oil Destructor. The procured safe soil can be used for road filling, ravines liquidation, as well as grass plots formation and the relief leveling on the client's territory. Hydraulic washing using portable homogenizer presupposes excavation of oil sludge from the pit and its subsequent loading into the homogenizer. The homogenizer is installed near the pit at the same time as the 2-phase centrifuges group is assembled. Water is delivered to the homogenizer and liquefied sludge is pumped out to the centrifuges. The homogenizer is filled up with water and special nozzles are placed inside. Further, oil sludge is excavated to the homogenizer from the pit. While mixing up 2 components, oil sludge is homogenized, gets thin and the full volume increases. Then the substance is pumped out into centrifuges. After being treated at the centrifuges, the liquefied sludge is divided into cake and centrate. Centrate is delivered to the tank for temporary storage and settling. As a result, the hydrocarbons layer appears on the water surface and is furtherly pumped out to the bitumen carriers and transported to the place designated by the client. The water left in the tank is not drained into the industrial sewage but is recycled and supplied to the pump again. Cake is transported to the bioremediation site for further neutralization using Arkoil Technologies' self-developed customized biological product, Oil Destructor. The procured safe soil can be used for road filling, ravines liquidation, as well as grass plots formation and the relief leveling on the client's territory. Described technology is a periodical operation as oil sludge excavation and water pumping from the tank starts again when the liquefied sludge is pumped out. Advantages of the technology are as follows: complete neutralization of oil sludge, which results in a final solution of related issues, the possibility to return a hydrocarbons part of the oil sludge for the client, high speed and efficiency of works performed, portability of the technology, absence of climatic and weather restrictions, the possibility to deal with different soil types, application of the highest environmental standards, small water consumption due to its reuse, individual selection of the best method of treatment depending on qualitative characteristics of oil sludge.